In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count records in Microsoft Access Query. By the end, you'll know exactly when to use each approach, what the results mean, and how to do it both with SQL and in Design View without writing any code. Let's start with the most common and reliable option, counting all records. In SQL View, you can write select count as total records from your table. This tells Access to count every row in the table, including rows where some fields might be empty. Count star is generally the best and fastest way to get a total because it doesn't depend on any specific field. If you simply need how many rows are there, this is the one to use. Now, if you want to count only the rows where a particular field actually has a value, use count on that field. For example, select count field name as total from your table. This returns the number of records where that specific field is not null. If that field has empty or null values, those rows won't be included. This is useful when the presence of data in a field is what matters, such as counting how many records include an email address or a shipment date. You can also count conditionally. Add a where clause to focus on records that meet your criteria. For instance, select count as total from orders where country equals USA. This counts only orders where the country equals USA. Adjust the condition to match your need. And remember that text values should be in quotes in SQL. If you want counts per group, like how many orders each customer has, use group by. Try select customer ID count chassis as total orders from orders group by customer ID. This returns one row per customer with the total number of orders for that customer. It's a powerful way to summarize your data and spot top performers or gaps. Prefer not to write SQL? You can do it visually in Query Design View. Open your query in Design View, then click the Totals button, the one that looks like a sigma. In the grid, set the total row to count for the field you care about, or for the entire row if you're counting everything. Run the query to see your results. This creates a totals query that uses the count function behind the scenes. Remember these rules as you work. Count star counts all records. Count on a field ignores null values. And count is an aggregate function, so it's used in totals queries and grouped summaries. Swap in your own table and field names, run your query, and you'll get clear, accurate counts every time.